Okay, students, in the last lecture we learned about that chapter number 1, first exercise, how we describe, how we can write a number in the form of 2, 2 plus 1, 6 plus 2 plus 3 and whatever. Okay, we'll learn about that. Now in this lecture we solve more examples of exercise 1.1. Okay, in the last lecture there are 2 examples remaining of exercise 1.1, so we solve that example now. Okay everyone, see example number 4, question number 4. What is that question number 4? Using Euclid's division lemma, show that, using Euclid's division lemma, show that square of any positive integers, square of positive integers is of the form 3m and 3m plus 1. 3m and m plus 1. So here in this example we need to show that square of any positive integer is of the form m and 3m plus 1. Okay, now how? So first of all, in that exercise you can see one thing is written that, okay, that exercise you can see one thing which they've written that use the number is in the form of 3q, 3q plus 1 and 3q plus 2. We need to use that number is in the form of 3q, 3q plus 1 and 3q plus 2. So first of all, if they don't write that, then what we do? No, that's square. Square of any positive integer in the form of 3m. So we want square as a 3m form. So we want a the square. So which number, square of which number contain 3? कौन से नंबर का स्क्वायर करो तो उसमें 3 होता है? आपको पता है 3 का स्क्वायर करो तो 9, 3 square 9, 9 contains 3, so we need to take here 3, so we need to take here 3, so number must be in the form of 3m, 3m plus 1 and 3m plus 2. Then and then square of that number contain, okay, because square contain 9 and 9 contains 3, so we need to take that number is in the form of 3m, 3m plus 1 and 3m plus 2. Okay, so first of all, for any positive integer a and b is equals to 6. Okay, for any positive integer a and b is equals to 6, कोई भी positive integer a है और b is equals to 6 ले लो, then apply Euclid's division algorithm to ab. Okay, so by Euclid's division algorithm, by Euclid's division algorithm, know that a is equals to bq plus r, where r greater or equal to 0 and less than b. Okay, r greater or equal to 0 and less than b. Therefore, A, B means here B is equals to 3. Okay, so B is equals to 3 into Q plus R, where R greater or equal to 0 and less than 3. So value of R can be 0, 1 and 2. Therefore, so R can be 0, 1 and 2. So first of all, take R is equals to 0 at the starting. R take at the first, R is equals to 0. So here R is equals to 0. Then A is equals to 3Q plus R. R means 0. So A is equals to 3Q. Okay. A is equals to. But you know that we want square of that number. We want square of that number. So find the square. Find the square. So here S square means 3Q whole square. Okay. Here when you take R is equals to 0, then A is equals to 3Q. We want the square of number. हमें क्या चाहिए? स्क्वायर चाहिए. उसका स्क्वायर भी साथ में फाइंड करते जाओ. तो 3Q square, 3 square 9 and Q square, so Q square, so 9Q square. Okay, right? Nine Q square. Okay, now you know that 9Q square is written as a form of E into 3Q square. 9 can be written as a form of 3 into 3Q square. Okay, 9 is written in the form of 3 into 3Q square. So here 3Q square can be any number. 3Q square, Q is a integer, so Q square also integer. Q integer है. Q is an integer, so Q square also an integer. Square of integer must be integer, and multiply by 3 also is an integer. Okay, so 3Q square can be integer, so we can assume 3Q square as a m. We can assume 3Q square as a m. हम 3Q square को m assume कर सकते हैं. Okay, where m is equals to 3Q square. M is an integer. Okay, so a square is equals to 3m. First form we got. Okay, so first form we got a square is equals to 3m. Now take r is equals to 1. Now take r is equals to 1. R is equals to 1. We know that r is equals to 0, 1 and 2. So now r is equals to 1. Therefore, a is equals to bq means 3q. Here b means 3. So 3q plus 1. Now square, a square is equals to 3q plus 1 whole square. You know that here we can apply that identity a plus b whole square. Which identity? A plus b whole square. What is the answer of that identity? A square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, so a square means this a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, as A means 3q, 2a means 3q into b means 1 plus b square means 1 square. 3 square, so 9q square plus 2 3s are 6, 1s are 6, so 6q and plus 1 square means 1. Now from this both take 3 common. So 3 common here, which is remaining? So 3 3s are 9 and q square plus 3 2s are 6. So 2q and plus 1. So here you can see that this 3q square plus 2q is an integer because of q and q square all are integers. So addition multiplication of integer must be integer. So 3m plus 1. Why? 3q square plus 2q is equals to m, where m is an any integer. Okay, where m is an any integer. Okay, so we got this another form. Square of number is in the form of 3m plus 1. Okay, now next we have another r is equals to 0, then take on 1 and now 2. Okay, so r is equals to 2. Therefore a is equals to 3q plus r means 2. Now take a square. Okay, because we want to find the square of a positive number. So square is equals to 3q plus 2 all square. Same formula, a square plus 2ab plus b square. So a square means 3q all square plus 2a means 3q into b means 2 plus b square means 2 square. So 3 square, so 9 q square plus 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12. So 12q and plus 2 square 4. Okay, now we want to take 3 as a common. So here you can write 4 as a 3 plus 1. So 9q square plus 12q plus 3 plus 1. Okay, so from this 3 term, take 3 common. So 3 common. So here 3 3s are 9 square plus here 3 4s are 12 q plus and 3 1s are 3. So 1 remaining and last one. So this bracket is in the form of integer. Bracket क्या है? Integer है. So we can write m in the place of brackets. So 3m plus 1. Therefore, s square is written as 3m plus 1, where m is equals to 3q square plus 4q plus 1, where m is an any integer. Okay, where m is an any integer, जहां पर m कोई भी integer होगा. Okay, so see, we get the form of s square. First form, s square is equals to 3m. Second form, s square is equals to 3m plus 1. And third one, s square is equals to 3m plus 1. So two are equal, s square is equals to 3m plus 1. And second one, 3m. So we can tell that any positive integer, square of any positive integer is in the form of 3m, and second one 3m plus 1. Therefore, square of any positive integer is of the form 3m and 3m plus 1. Okay, square of any positive integer is of the form 3m and 3m plus 1. Okay, only same method. Take a is equals to bq plus r, b is equals to 3, because the square of 3 must be contain 3. ओके, 3 का स्क्वायर करो तो ही उसमें 3 होगा, so 3q plus r, but you know that remainder must be 0, 1 and 2. So first of all take 0, so you get the number a is equals to 3q, then square, then find 3m, then take r is equals to 1, so you get the number a is equals to 3q plus 1. Okay, then find the square of that number, so you get 3m plus 1. Next, take r is equals to 2, so you get the number 3q plus 2. Then find the square, so you will get the square of number as a 3m plus. Okay, so square of any positive integer is of the form 3m and 3m plus 1. You get this answer. Now we have one last example in that exercise 1.1 with question number 5. In that question, they ask that use Euclid's division lemma to show that the cube of any positive integers, cube of any positive integers is of the form, cube of any positive integer is of the form 9m, 9m plus 1 and 9m plus 8. Cube of any positive integer is of the form 9m, 9m plus 1 and 9m plus 8. So for that, you know that which number, cube of which number contain 9. So 3 cube, 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27. Okay, 27 contain 9, here 9. So we must be the form of number in 3q, 3q plus 1 and 3q plus 2 same number. So square of that number contain 9. तो उसका स्क्वायर ही 9 को कंटेन करता है. अगर 2 क्यूब लो तो 8 होगा, 9 नहीं होगा. 4 क्यूब लो, 4 4 जा 16, 4 जा 64, में भी 9 नहीं है. 5 क्यूब लो 125, उसमें भी 9 नहीं है. So we must be take 3 as a divisor, as a b. b अगर आप 3 लो तो उसका स्क्वायर करो तो 9 मिलेगा, तो आपको b लेना ही होगा. तो 4. Okay, let's for any positive integer take any positive integer a and b is equals to 4 by Euclid's division algorithm, Euclid's division algorithm. Okay, by Euclid's division algorithm, a is equals to bq plus r, where r greater or equal to 0 and less than b. Okay, so put the value of b. What is b? Means 3. A is equals to bq plus r, where r greater or equal to 0 and less than 3. Therefore, value of r can be 0, 1 and 2. So 1 by 1 take the value of r. first of all take r is equals to 0. Take r is equals to 0. Therefore, you get the value of number a is equals to 3q plus r, means 3q plus r means 0. So plus 0. We don't write same as a 3q. Now we want the cube of this number. See, we want the cube of this number. इसका क्यूब चाहिए, तो भाई जो भी नंबर मिले उसका क्यूब भी फाइंड करते जाओ साथ में. तो क्यूब a cube is equals to b cube whole cube. So you know that 3 cube is 27 and q cube. 27 can be written as a into 9. 3 nines are 27 and 9 cube. Okay, wait. 27 can be written as also 9 3s are 27 and cube. So 9 3s are 27, 3q cube. Here you can write 3q cube as a m, where m is equals to 3q cube. M is any integer. Okay, therefore a cube is written as a 9. Okay, a cube is written as a 9m. Now take r is equals to 1. R is equals to 1. Therefore, a is equals to bq means 3q plus r means 1. Okay. Now cube. So a cube is equals to 3q plus 1 whole cube. Now identity. Which identity? A plus b whole cube is equals to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab to a plus b. We have another formula, a cube plus b cube plus 3s square b plus 3ab square. Okay, we have this two formula. We can use any one. Okay, a cube plus b cube plus 3s square b plus 3ab square. So a cube means 3q whole cube plus b cube means 1 cube plus 3a into b into a plus b means 3q plus 1. 3q plus 1. Okay. So 3 cube 27 q cube plus 1 cube 1 plus 3 3s are 9. So 9 into q in the bracket 3q plus 1. Okay. So 27 q cube plus 1 plus 9q multiplied by 3q. So 9 3s are 27 q into q. So q square. 9q multiplied by 1. So 9q. Take this 1 at the last. So first of all 27 q plus 27 q square plus 9q and plus 1. From this three term we can take 9 as a common. 9 common ले सकते हो तो ले लो भाई. 9 3s are 27 q cube plus 9 3s are 27 q and plus 9 1s are 9. So q plus 1. Here we can write this 3q cube plus 3q plus 1q as a m. So 9m plus. So we get cube of this a as a 9m plus 1, where m is equals to 3q plus 3q plus q. Okay, m is any integer. Okay, m is any integer where m is an integer, and 3q cube plus 3q plus q written as a m. Okay, students. Now we taken this r is equals to 0, so we get a cube as a 9m. We taken r is equals to 1, so we get value of a cube as a 9m plus 1. हमने पहले क्या लिया था, r is equals to 0 लिया था, तो हमें नंबर क्या मिला था 3q, और उसका क्यूब क्या मिला तो 9m. बाद में हमने रिमाइंडर r is equals to 1 लिया, तो नंबर a is equals to क्या मिला 3q plus 1, और उसका क्यूब a क्यूब क्या मिला 9m plus 1. नाउ वी टेक r is equals to 2, तो हम क्या लेंगे r is equals to 2. तो पहले नंबर, तो नंबर क्या मिलेगा तो 3q plus 2. नाउ फाइंड द स्क्वायर ऑफ दिस नंबर. अब इसका स्क्वायर फाइंड करो, सॉरी क्यूब फाइंड करो. तो a क्यूब, तो 3q plus 2 होल क्यूब. सेम फॉर्मूला, वही फॉर्मूला है a plus b होल क्यूब. तो a क्यूब प्लस b क्यूब प्लस 3ab, a plus b, तो a क्यूब मीन्स 3q होल क्यूब प्लस 2 क्यूब, a क्यूब प्लस b क्यूब प्लस 3ab into a plus b. Okay, so 3 cube, so 9 cube plus 2 cube, so 8 plus 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18 cube into 3 cube plus 2. Okay, so 9 cube plus 8 plus 18 3s are 54 cube plus 18 2s are 36 cube. Here q into q, so q square. Now write in the descending order of the exponents of variable. वेरिएबल के जो एक्सपोनेंट है उसका डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर में लिख दो. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मैक्सिमम एक्सपोनेंट लार्जर, so 9q cube, then after q square, so 54q square, then after term of q, so 36q, and then after constant term 8. So from this three term we can take 9 as a common. 9 इन थ्री टर्म में से हम 9 कॉमन ले सकते हैं, तो ले लो भाई 9 कॉमन. तो यहाँ पर क्या बचा क्यू क्यूब, यहाँ पर क्या 6q स्क्वायर. हाँ, यहाँ पर क्या बचा 4q and plus 8. Now see this bracket, q cube plus 6q square plus 4q. So in the place of this bracket we can write m, so 9m plus 8. So we get this form. Okay, we got this form where m is equals to q cube plus 6q square plus 4q. Okay, q cube plus 6q square plus 4q, and m is any integer. Why integer? इंटीजर क्यों मिला? आपको पता है कि क्यू भी इंटीजर है, तो क्यू क्यूब उसका क्यूब करो तो भी इंटीजर, क्यू स्क्वायर इंटीजर, क्यू इंटीजर, क्यू स्क्वायर को 6 से मल्टीप्लाई करो इंटीजर, क्यू को 4 से मल्टीप्लाई करो इंटीजर, और सभी इंटीजर का एडिशन करो तो भी इंटीजर ही मिल रहा है, एम इंटीजर हुआ. ओके, तो सी दिस First of all, take r is equals to 0. So we get number 3 cube and cube 9m. R is equals to 1. So number 3 cube plus 1 and cube 9m plus 1. And r is equals to 2. So number 3 cube plus 2 and cube 9m plus 1. So the number of cube of any positive integer is of the form 9m, second one 9m plus 1, and third one 9m plus 8. So write that therefore cube of any positive integer is of the form 9m, first one, second one 9m plus 1, and third one 9m plus 8. So 9m, second one 9m plus 1, and third one 9m plus. Okay, so we get this. It's our example number 5. Show that the cube of any positive integer is of the form 9m, 9m plus 1, 9m plus 8. So which cube of number contains 9? So 3 cube contains 9. So take 3 as a divisor. तो हमने 3 को डिवाइजर ले लिया. उसके बाद में हमें नंबर मिला. तो 3 नंबर मिले थे, उसका क्यूब किया क्योंकि हमें क्यूब चाहिए था. तो ए नंबर मिला था, उसका क्यूब किया तीनों 3 टाइम्स. यहाँ देखो नंबर, उसका क्यूब, यहाँ भी नंबर 3 क्यूब प्लस 2 एंड उसका क्यूब. उसका क्यूब जो था उसको हमने एक पेयर बनाई जो 3, उसमें से क्यू 9 कॉमन लिया. सो हमें 9m प्लस 8 मिला. सेम यहाँ पर था, पेयर बनाई, उसमें से 9 कॉमन लिया. सो हमें क्या मिला? 9m प्लस 1. इसलिए हमें 3 फॉर्म मिले 9m, 9m प्लस 1, 9m प्लस 8. तो स्टूडेंट्स जैसे एग्जाम्पल बोर्ड में आते हैं कि शो दैट the square of this number is in the form of this, the cube of this number is in the form of this. Okay, इसका स्क्वायर इसके फॉर्म में है, इसका क्यूब इसके फॉर्म में है. ऐसे एग्जांपल बोर्ड में होते हैं. तो बी प्रिपेयर फॉर दैट. दिस टाइप ऑफ एग्जांपल इज मोस्ट आईएमपी. ये एग्जांपल आपके मोस्ट आईएमपी. ओके, ऐसे एग्जांपल वो पूछते हैं बोर्ड में, तो उसके लिए प्रिपेयर करो एवरीवन. ये वो हमारे 2 एग्जांपल जो बाकी थे एक्सरसाइज 1.1 में. जो इन एक्सरसाइज 1.1 the 2 examples was remaining. Question number 4 and question number 5. Square of positive integer is of the form 3m and 3m plus 1, and the cube of the positive integer is of the form 9m, 9m plus 1 and 9m plus 8. जो हमारे 2 एग्जाम्पल बाकी थे वो यहाँ पर हो गए. ओके, अब आगे और थियरी होगी. आपको जो फर्स्ट पढ़ के आए हो फर्स्ट लेक्चर में, whatever you learn in first lecture, that HCF of this number, HCF of these 2 numbers by Euclid's division algorithm, वही थियरी अब आगे और एक एक्सरसाइज में करनी है. okay? तो स्टूडेंट्स, तो और एक्सरसाइज 1.1 इज ओवर. हमारी एक्सरसाइज 1.1 खत्म हो गई. ओके, तो इसके बारे में पढ़ना. ऐसे कई एग्जाम्पल आपके बोर्ड में पूछे गए, तो बोर्ड के पेपर लेना और देखना कि वहां पर कैसे एग्जाम्पल है. ऐसा नहीं है कि स्क्वायर ऑफ दिस नंबर इज ऑफ द फॉर्म 3m एंड 3m प्लस 1, ऐसा नहीं है. वहां पर और सारे फॉर्म है. ओके, और कई फॉर्म उसने दिए हैं, तो वो सब एग्जाम्पल पढ़ना और उसके बारे में सोचना कि हमें उसके लिए डिवाइजर क्या लेना है और तब हमको क्या फॉर्म मिले। ओके, फॉर एक्सरसाइज 1.1 ओवर। So in our next lecture, we will go for our next theory, HCF of two numbers. Okay, students. Okay, goodbye everyone. Okay.